Welcome to Indian Motorcycle Daytona Beach, home of the free tire install.